So it's my pleasure to introduce to you Phil Berg. Hi, Phil.
Pleasure to meet you.
Okay.
Hi, how are you? Pleasure. Good afternoon. Sorry I'm a little late. I was at the printer, and for all of you here, some additional documentation is being sent over. I have a 4-page, very detailed letter with all the exhibits, with many exhibits, which sets forth the fact that Barack Obama is really a phony. This is the largest hoax ever contemplated against the United States in over 200 years, and we're hopeful that some judge someplace will take heed and hear this case. I wish to, so those documents shall be here shortly. In addition, I have copies here of a press release which I'm putting out. The head note on the press release is U.S. Supreme Court asked to issue an injunction. We're filing an application for an injunction today to the U.S. Supreme Court to stay the electoral votes on December 15, 2008 until Obama proves he is qualified to be president, as this is the largest hoax in 200 years. Obama knows he is not natural born, as he knows where he was born, and he knows he was adopted in Indonesia. Obama is an attorney, a Harvard Law grad, who taught constitutional law. Obama knows his candidacy is the largest hoax attempted on the citizens of the United States in over 200 years. Obama places our Constitution in a crisis situation, and Obama is in a situation where he can be blackmailed by leaders around the world who know he's not qualified. Hopefully, the Supreme Court will take our injunction. This is the document that is being filed today. It's an application to Justice David H. Souter for an immediate injunction prohibiting the certification of electors by the governors of each state to stay the Electoral College from casting any votes for Barack H. Obama on December 15, 2008, and the counting of any votes cast for Barack H. Obama by Vice President Richard B. Cheney, the House of Representatives, and the Senate on January 6, 2009, pending resolution of the petition for the writ of certiorari. Our case is still pending. We're waiting now for a conference. We're waiting for the court to take it. I heard unfortunate news that the Donofrio case wasn't taken today. Our case is distinguishable. I think our case, and I'll go through some of the facts right now, our case really sets forth the complete details why Obama is not qualified. What do we know about him? Nothing. Obama is the candidate of change. I guess so, because Arnold Schwarzenegger wants to run for president. What's he tell people? Amend the Constitution. And what's Barack Obama say? Nothing. I'll step on the Constitution, he's basically saying. As he did earlier this year when he stood there and wouldn't salute the flag and would not wear an American flag pin. And he and his wife want to change our national anthem because they want to make it softer for the Middle East. He doesn't like the words in there, bombs bursting in air and other things. This is the candidate of change. On issues, where is he? On his appointments, he's far-fetched from what he said. He's putting in old people, the same people. But to me, he's scary and frightening because he won't even admit where he's from. Significant is the date June 2008. That's 2 months before I got involved in this matter, and before many of us did, any of the attorneys did. Over a year before that, it had been circulating across the Internet and around the world that Barack Obama was not a natural-born citizen. So in June 2008, on the Obama campaign website, what do? They put a document called a certification of live birth. And the certification of live birth states that Obama was born in Hawaii. That document is a forgery. It's a fraud, just like Obama is. He really is, ladies and gentlemen. And I know they're strong words. If any of you today, if I asked any of you to produce your birth certificate, you could give it to me today or tomorrow, and if you lost it, you can get a new one within 2 to 5 days by paying $5 to $20. Why hasn't Obama provided a birth certificate? The reason is because his birth certificate will indicate that he was born in Kenya. On our website, which is obamacrimes.com, we have the audio of a tape that was taken about 3 to 4 weeks ago, right after the last debate, by 2 ministers. One minister was present at her home, at the home of the paternal grandmother, Sarah Obama, in Kenya, and the other minister was here in Pennsylvania. And they took it over a cell phone. The statement was asked to be recorded. There's 2 affidavits on, matter of fact, they're coming today. I think those documents are coming forth this afternoon, be here shortly. And we also have the translation. It goes from English to Swahili, Swahili to English, back and forth. But his grandmother, 85-year-old paternal grandmother, which he doesn't refer to right now, he sort of lets that slide. He talked about his maternal grandmother, who unfortunately passed away, but he doesn't talk about his paternal grandmother. But yet there was a national holiday a week or 2 ago in Kenya after Obama wasn't elected, as far as the Electoral College hasn't voted yet. When he received more votes than anyone else on November 4th, they had a national holiday. And a week or 2 ago, there was a telephone call from a Detroit radio station to the Kenyan ambassador here in Washington. And in that discussion, it basically said we know where his home is there. It's like a national spot in Kenya already. And now the ambassador is trying to double talk his way back out of that. If Obama really had a Hawaiian birth certificate, we would have seen it by now.